The Indian government has stopped all productions at the main factory of made-in pharmaceuticals near the capital, New Delhi, after a World Health Organization's report that its cough syrups exported to the Gambia is linked to the death of dozens of children in the West African country. The World Health Organization (WHO) earlier issued a global alert over four of Maiden's cough syrups linked to the death of almost 70 children. Investigations are currently underway in India and the Gambia to dig deeper into the cause of the unfortunate incident. Regulators said that they had suspended all manufacturing activities at the New Delhi-based firm after finding it had broken a number of safety rules. The UN Health Agency also warned that the product may have been distributed through informal markets to other countries and regions besides the Gambia. Meanwhile, the president of the Gambia, Adama Barrow, said his government would leave no stone unturned in their investigation. In a preliminary report released earlier in the week, police in the Gambia said the cough syrups were imported to the West Africa country by a US-based company. The report also revealed that the majority of the 50,000 bottles of the contaminated syrups that were imported into the country had now been seized. In Nigeria, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control (NAFDAC) has demanded all imported shipment of pharmaceuticals to be cleared by approved agents prior to leaving India. India is set to supply 45% of all generic medicines to Africa, and its exports have grown more than double in the last decade to hit $24.5 billion last fiscal year. Kamil Sadiq, CBA TV.